Yo, yo, yo. Merry Christmas. I decided to come out this morning just to give it a shot. I don't know what's gonna be open, but I did get this first order right away, and I feel like it might be open. It's 7-Eleven, $11 going just about 6 miles. Morning. They just gave me an add-on order, another 7-Eleven, $5 and some change, going an extra 2 miles. And then is that the only order that you have for here? Because they just gave me another 7-Eleven, but I don't know if it's this place or a different.
It's probably me. I just literally got another one as you walked in.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You as well.
Merry Christmas.
You too. Okay, we've got beer, pizza, and some snacks for one customer, and we have cold medicine for the other one. Very different vibes this Christmas morning.
Thank you, my friend. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Have a good day. You too. I can't see. Can't even read the map. We're just gonna wing it. Well, I found the building, but I don't know which side I'm supposed to be on. I can't see anything. So it has to be this building on the other side. Yeah, I'm kind of expecting long gaps between orders and lots of restaurants being closed today. It's not like Christmas last year where it was like either the streets were icy or it was pouring down rain or a combination of both. I honestly don't remember, but it was an ugly, ugly day. When I tell you my phone was nonstop buzzing and beeping, it was honestly giving me a headache. I don't think this year is going to be the same way, but we'll see. But anyways, I just got the next order. It's going to be for Kitchen Table Cafe, $12 going 5 miles. This place might be open, but I don't think the order is going to be ready if it is. Are we open? It does not look open to me, actually. I got half pay for that, so $6 in my pocket. I'll take it. And we also checked that one off the list, so now we know. Let's go ahead and give this one a shot. We're heading to IHOP, 950 going 5.5 miles. That's some really good parking.
Order was perfect. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was getting that. Yeah, and I was cleaning out the timer kept going and going and going. Oh, you've been out in the car? Yeah. And so I was thinking, well, maybe we don't have that.
You too. Oh, that's some hot coffee. Oh, my fingers. Hand it to me. Now, why on earth would you want that? Morning.
Good morning.
It's kind of hot. Careful with that.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Yep.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is IHOP, $18 going 6 miles. Oh, I see why now. It's a lot of food. So this is not going to be ready for me. Thank you.
Hey, no problem.
We are going to Jack in the Box, $9 going 5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mirador. Okay. There's that.
Cool.
You have a good day. Next up, we've got a stack. I think this is actually The same customer ordered twice, but it's IHOP, $17 going 6.5 miles. Yeah, I've got Tracy. I think it's 2 orders, but it's for the same person.
Okay.
Thank you. I got it. I really wish I could have shown that. As soon as I was pulling out, customer opened the door to grab their food, and they were wearing a reindeer onesie. Very festive. Next up, we've got a Sherry's 950 going 3 miles. Thank you. Oh, nice. There was a hidden tip on that one. Total ended up being $10.25. I'll take it. Thank you, thank you. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Tanalis Donuts and Cream and Starbucks. $10 going 5.5 miles.
Here, pick up an order?
Yes, for Angela.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Perfect.
And I got you a little Christmas present right there.
Love that. Thank you so much.
Assortment.
Have a good one. Merry Christmas. Yep, you too. You know, that was the only reason I actually accepted this order, because there was a small chance that I might get some donuts out of it. And what do you know? I guessed right. Shout outs to them. Very much appreciated, because I do not have a breakfast today. Oh, you're kidding me. They have 6 drinks, 6 sandwiches on this order. Okay, dude. Really hoping that this store is closed, actually. Oh, and this place is packed, huh? Yeah, I might unassign this, to be honest. Is this guy coming out, or we just sitting on reverse for no reason? Thank you. Here you are.
Thank you.
Oh, appreciate that. Oh, I got it. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So that first drop off ended up giving me an extra $2.50. All right, finally got a little bit of a break in between orders, so let's dive into these donuts because I am starving. Okay, what is this? I don't know what these are called, by the way, but this one looks like an onion ring. Oh, and I just got my next order. This is for Sherry's, $13 going 5.5 miles. I'm pretty sure I still have a little bit of time before I actually need to pick it up, because I'm just across the street from it, so I think I'll have another one of these donuts first. Okay. Thank you. Oh man, all I can smell right now is hash browns. I heckin' love hash browns. Oh, I totally forgot. I had one more sweet treat. What is this? This one does not look very appetizing to me. Yum, yum, yum. Good eats. All right, next up, we've got a stack. Looks like going to 2 different people. We've got IHOP and 7-Eleven. Never mind on that. I just got an order that is just slightly, but still better than the previous one. This one is for a place called Itchy Teriyaki. This one's going to be $14.50 going 4 miles. And surely it's open, right? Doesn't look like it. Just got half pay for driving across the street, so $7.25. I'll take it. But I was kind of banking on this place being open, so now I'm left orderless. I should have just kept the other one and checked this one first since it was so close. My mistake. Oh well. The tip from the stack that had the donuts and Starbucks just came in. Total ended up being $21 instead of the original $10 that it showed me. All right, I'm gonna give it maybe like 5 or 10 more minutes. If I don't get an order, I think I'm gonna call it. All right, I think that is going to be it for today. Current time is 11:31. Total is going to be, quick math, 134. Almost forgot the cash tip. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and or happy holidays to you. Bye.